Ladies and gentlemen, gather round for a mind-blowing journey through restoration history. The 1947 Westcraft Sequoia, a 28-foot dual-axle aluminum travel trailer that spent 3 decades collecting dust, until someone said, "Let's make it legendary." I once stood next to my neighbor Timmy's rust bucket trailer and thought, this thing looks better as a fire pit. But this Sequoia? It's a gleaming gem. Originally crafted by the George T. Hall Company of Los Angeles, Westcraft bridged pre-war tradition and post-war innovation, reviving in 1946 with designs featuring wood or aluminum framing and heavy-gauge skins. The Sequoia carries that pedigree, reborn in Indiana by Above and Beyond Customs from 2021 to 2024. Shedding old aluminum down to bare metal, the team outfitted her with spray foam insulation, updated wiring and plumbing, and a tri-color blue and silver finish that gleams like Lake Michigan on a sunny day. I believe the clerestory roof with 10 windows gives this trailer cathedral-like light plus camping swagger. Inside, you'll find pecan-stained Russian birch paneling and cabinetry under 5 coats of Matrix Clear Coat, LVF vinyl flooring, and a sleeper couch from 1947, upholstered in distressed red Relicate leather. I like the most how the lounge area, with refurbished chairs and pull-out table, feels like a gangster speakeasy on wheels. The kitchen dazzles with mirrored stainless steel countertops, a Kraus sink, InSinkErator hot water dispenser, a 4-burner Bertazzoni gas range, Smeg refrigerator, toaster, coffee maker, and Nostalgia Retrowave microwave. All powered by clean and gray water hookups, no built-in tanks, so pack extra jugs. Climate control comes courtesy of a Mitsubishi Mini Split air conditioner, complemented by custom rear bumper and hitch package, supporting dual 40-pound propane tanks. The axles, semi-elliptical leaf springs, and drum brakes got full refurbishment, while 225 75R15 National Road Max Load Range E tires roll smoothly on refinished custom dark blue wheels. Weight details weren't specified, but craftsmanship shines at every rivet. In January 2025, Dawson Vintage sold this rolling masterpiece for $262,000, about 245,000 euros. That price buys top-tier nostalgia and functionality. But new owners should plan for maintenance, sourcing vintage rival parts, and tuning that mini-split. Still, owning a Sequoia is owning a piece of post-war Americana, fit for road shows and concourse events. Hit the link under the video to view the full photo gallery and seller info, and prepare to be inspired like Timmy when I let him steer this beauty. If you're here for laughs, awe, or vintage metal love, become a CampAvto sponsor for just $1. It's cheaper than Timmy's monthly wax habit. Sponsorship links in the description under the video.